Okay, apparently tonight my video is going to have a part 2, or this morning, because all that last video is exactly the reason I need a better memory card. So yeah, but no, what I was going to say is hopefully the next time you hear from me, won't be in 6 months. Ah, I just bit my tongue. That is not cool. It won't be in like 6 months, or really a month for that matter. Also, the whole sorority thing, just like a disclaimer for when I update y'all, don't be like freaking out on me. I'm a Christian girl. I'm not going to join anything that compromises my morals. If I were to have joined and it compromised my morals, I would leave. Yeah, some of the girls drink, you know, before a party or there, but I mean, you're going to find that anywhere. It's not just the sororities. As a matter of fact, we have a code of conduct we have to keep. We have rules. We don't do hazing or any kind of crazy mess like that. No, we don't. And I'm not just saying this because it sounds some kind of crazy oath. No, we don't. It's strictly forbidden. Any girl caught hazing, you're done. One of the fraternities had some issues. I don't know if it was hazing with what. Their membership got disbanded for like 10 years from the school. Their charter got revoked. We don't take it lightly. I would recommend it to anybody who's having a hard time making friends. I love people. I love making friends. But I'm a sophomore in college, and the best friend I made freshman year is moving back to Louisiana, having a baby, all this mess. So I'm going to lose her. So it's just a really good thing. But yeah, I'm going to go, because I think it's about to cut me off again, and it pisses me off.